A Moment That Matters with Dr. Jon Roebuck.
Good morning. You know, all of us have seen those videos of runners or cyclists in a race who learn the lesson of finishing well the hard way. They get close to the end and they start to celebrate a little too early. And before they cross the finish line, someone races by at the last moment and claims the victory. Such a tragedy. But it's important to finish well, whether you're a student in a classroom setting or a business person winding up a career. Well, on Monday, March the 16th, I'm hosting a one-day workshop on finishing well. This workshop is specifically designed to help faith leaders finish out their careers with great success. On that day, we'll talk about the emotional, physical, and spiritual dimensions of easing toward retirement. Dr. Mike Smith, recently retired pastor and author, will be our workshop leader. As always, information will be on our website. Again, the date is Monday, March 16th. Hope to see you there.